In today's video, I'm going to teach you Specify First Point not working in AutoCAD. If you are clicking in the drawing area and nothing happens when AutoCAD asks for Specify First Point, this walkthrough will help you restore normal click recognition and selection behavior quickly and confidently. First, let's address dynamic input because it often affects how clicks are interpreted near the crosshair. Press F12 to toggle dynamic input off and then try a simple command like line to see if the first click is recognized. If you prefer using the command line, type DYN mode and press enter. Set it to 3 to enable typical dynamic input behavior, or set it to 0 to fully disable it. Test after each change. The goal is to find the setting that immediately restores your ability to pick that first point without hesitation. Next, make sure AutoCAD allows you to select objects before starting a command. Type pick first and press enter. Set the value to 1 and press enter again. With pick first at 1, you can pre-select objects. And more importantly, AutoCAD properly respects your clicks during commands. If this value had been changed, you'll notice selection feels normal again right away. If things still seem off, consider a full reset of AutoCAD settings to eliminate any hidden configuration conflicts. Close your drawings, then go to the Windows Start menu. Locate your AutoCAD program group and choose the option to reset settings to default. This returns AutoCAD to a clean, out-of-the-box state while preserving your project files. It's a reliable way to clear corrupted profiles or unexpected system variables that can block point selection. After the reset, open a drawing and try a quick pick to confirm everything responds. Finally, review your selection behavior in Options. Type Options and press Enter. On the Selection tab, find the setting called Use Shift to add to selection and make sure it's unchecked. With this option off, adding items to a selection set is straightforward, and Shift reverts to its standard role of removing items. Misconfigured selection modifiers can make it feel like clicks aren't registering. So restoring the default behavior helps eliminate that confusion. Work through these adjustments, testing briefly after each one, and you should see your Specify First Point prompt respond normally again. Thanks for watching.